In this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up the project that we want to change the aspect ratio for. And once we load up the project, you can see I have it here under my the dashboard where I can edit. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the far right and you're going to click on this button that looks like an equalizer. Once you click on it, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the project from the tab next to the preview rather than the bottom. So we're going to click here. Once we click the project instead of the file, you see a new dialog box opens on the right, and right next to it on the second line you see modify. We click on modify, and here we can change the aspect ratio when we change the video settings. So here it's exporting in 4K, but once we click on it and we want to export to say TikTok, we can choose the vertical, or if we want to export to Instagram, we can choose square, or if you have preferences of a customized aspect ratio that we want to export, we can just click on custom, and we can rather choose to make the aspect ratio any dimension that we want. But let's go for 1200 by 1200, and we're going to click on OK. Now you can see it's been changed to a square. Now once we click on the project again and we click on modify and we go for vertical, we click on OK, you see it's now in the vertical aspect ratio. Now, one other thing I'd like to add is that once you change the aspect ratio, if you'd like to fill in the whole view of your preview, what you can do is you can click on the project, or you can click on the file at the bottom. Once you click on the file, the display at the right is going to change. So you see when I click on the project, the display changes. When I click on the file itself, the display changes. So here you can click on transform. Once you double click on transform, you can move the scale right up to where you want it to be, and it's gonna have it there. So you can move the value of the x axis and the y axis. This moves the value on the y axis, on the vertical axis, and this moves the value on the x axis, which is the horizontal axis. Now that's how to change aspect ratio on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.